Hi guys, this is Chinishwari and we are here to learn about C++. C++ is a general purpose programming language which was created as an extension to C programming. So, what is C++? C++ is a cross-platform language, which means we can be able to compute and execute the same code in different operating systems such as Windows, Mac or Unix. C++ was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension to the C language. C++ gives programmers a high level of control over system resources and memory. The language was updated three major times in 2011, 2014 and 2017 to C++11, C++14 and C++17. Why use C++? C++ is one of the world's most popular programming language, and it can be found in today's operating systems, graphical user interface and embedded systems. C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows the code to be reused, lowering the development cost. C++ is portable, which means your source code compiles without maintenance across one or more versions of the same compiler and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. It is a fun and easy to learn language. As C++ is close to C# and Java, it makes it easy for the programmers to switch to C++ or vice versa. Difference between C and C++. C is a procedural language, which means program is divided into small parts called functions. And C++ is an object-oriented language because programs are divided into small parts called objects. As C is a procedural language, top-down approach is used in program design and bottom-up approach is used in C++. In C, multiple declaration of global variables are allowed, and in C++, multiple declaration of global variables are not allowed. C requires all the variables to be defined at the start of a scope. C++ allows the declaration of variable anywhere in the scope, that is, at time of its first use. One more difference between C and C++ is there is no access specifier in procedural language, which makes the C language less secure. Whereas, we have access specifiers like private, public and protected in C++, which makes C++ more secure than C. In C, malloc and calloc functions are used for memory allocation and free function for memory deallocating. In C, new and delete operators are used for memory allocating and deallocating. Advantage of C++. C is a relatively low level and is a systems programming language. It has a large community and has a relatively clear and mature standard. Modularity, which means the written program can be split up into modules by using classes, and each class can be considered as a module. C++ gives reusability and readability, that is, the capability to use the same function name for more than one function. Disadvantage of C. Data is global or local. It emphasizes on instructions but not on data. It can be generally heavy if not careful. That is, in a large program, identifying which operations operate what data becomes complex. Data is global and global data doesn't have security. That is, unrelated operation access the global data and it leads to logical and global errors. History of C++. C++ is a multiple paradigm programming language that supports object-oriented programming created by Bjarne in 1983 at Bell's Lab. C++ is an extension of C programming, and the programs written in C language can run in C++ compiler. The development of C++ actually began 4 years before of its release in 1979. It did not start with the name of C++. Its first name was C with classes. In the later part of 1983, C with classes was first used for AT&T's internal programming needs, and its name was changed to C++ later in the same year. It is, of course, also used in wide range of other application domains, notable graphic programmings. C++ supports inheritance through class derivation. Dynamic binding is provided by virtual class function. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and share, and also do subscribe to our channel so that you can get updates from our channel. If you have any questions, you can find me at Instagram codegenerator1115, or you can drop a mail to us at pythoncode1115@gmail.com. Thank you.